This is going to be fun, guys. This thing's got a rod knock. Just became a parts car, and it's going to go off to the junkyard. So we're going to get it out of where it's parked, get it around front, and do a little bit of shenanigans with it. Alright. This is how bad the rod knock is. Done. I cannot believe it's still running. That's that 2.2 for you.
It'll fix itself.
I know, it'll throw a rod eventually. Sounds like it's that one. Listen to the bearing just kill itself. Well, yesterday we tried killing it, just wouldn't die. So we took the fuel line off, got the pump on, pumped the gas out of it. I got all the parts I needed for the other one. And here in a few days, it's going to end up going to the wreckers. This car, for what it was, I'm still astonished that that motor didn't let go. We tried and tried, and it just kept going.